Hello friends, my name is Rujul Desai. Uh, Today I am going to discuss about the solar system and gravity, right? This is the theory that we believe in, that the solar system is based on the revolution and rotation, and the gravity is the one of the biggest reason for this revolution and rotation, right? So Newton, when there is a apple fall down on Newton head, and he realized that why the apple fall down. So he introduced the theory of that is a gravity. That every planets and stars have their own gravity, right? So that is the one theory. The Einstein came and he introduced the curvature of space-time. That is a relativity theory. You just go through YouTube the what how relativity theory works and how the gravity works. So I'm not going to discuss deep about that. You can check with the YouTube. Right. I am just introducing my theory. That is not a gravity theory, but it's a free space theory of Rujul Desai. Right. So what is that free space theory? So I don't. First of all, I am not believe that that planets moving on its axis. That's not possible. See, axis really needs. So if any objects want to move on its axis, so they that require the support. In space, what is the support, right? Se- Second, I don't believe all planets are orbiting to the sun. Right, right. It's not orbiting. Then how the day and nights happen, how the seasons, right, works. I just coming on that topic, how it works. So every my theory is based on the see every objects, planets, stars have their weight. So basically, movement is depend upon the mass, weight, right, shape. The biggest reason is the shape, and the fourth one is the energy. Every planets, objects, and stars have their have energy. They have inbuilt energy, and they have outsourced energy. uh, the the stars and planets outside our solar system don't have the outsourced energy. We have outsourced energy of the sun, right? And the inbuilt energy we have in lots of form, like volcanoes and all that, right? So we have in our solar system we have two type of energy, that is the outsource and that is the inbuilt in-house energy, right? That is the one of the reason that keep the things movement, that energy keep the thing movements. In fact, we don't have the that is friction outside, because there is no atmosphere and all that outside the earth, uh, 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 earth layer, right, or any planet's layer. So that is the one, it can easily move. But uh, it's keep moving in the same velocity, just because of one of the reason is that is we have energy. See, it's a simple thing, right? Right. We have fan in our house. That is how it works. That is a one is the energy, and second is the shape. If fan is not don't have the round motors and like that, it will not go round. So move round, right? So rounds. That is the one is the shape. The second one is the energy. So every non-living thing works on the energy, like machines and all that. So same thing happen here, right? So earth is moving like, and all planets are moving and moon are moving like that. Suppose you are flying in one plane, and height is 5 kilometer constant from the earth's surface, right? And you just moving 10 kilometer circumferences, right? So if you the sun is on the east side, and you are traveling uh, from the one direction to other direction, and when you are sitting in the plane on the left side, where you can easily see the sun, right? Right. So then plane is moving like the 5 kilometer 10 kilometer circumferences. So when you left side, when you can then see the sun from the left side, but when you go to the other side, yani ki in the exact opposite side, after 5 kilometers, right? So the right side people can see sun easily, right? So so and again you come back to the same position, so again you can see the sun easily. So our earth and planets are moving like in circumferences, but not on in axis, and we never visited, never go went beyond the sun. We are moving on the one direction, and sun is also moving in other direction. So sun also moving nearest to further, up to down, from the earth point of view, right? And moon is moving not exactly round, exactly on the that level of the sun, but it's moving on other way, but it has huge round than earth, and that is the more that is the it's moving around the earth. So that not for the not because of the gravity, but because of the its shape is like that, and that is a sun, moon weight is less than earth. So its round is bigger than earth, right? Because mass and weight is one of the reason, that is the why the moon is moving uh, uh, moving is faster, but have bigger shape than bigger round than earth, right? Shape is the main of the one of the main reason, that is it has a bigger round than earth. And the earth shape like is a convex, or you can on the if you can see one side, that is a convex, and if you can see other side is a concave, right? So its shape like is so concave, so that is why the earth completing its one round in 24 hours. 24 hours, yes. Earth is completing its one round in 24 hours and not moving on axis. Moon is completing its one round in 28 to 29 days, and it's moving round the earth, but not exactly in the same layer of the sun, but it's up to down. And the sun is completing its one round in 365 days. Yes, 365 days. So and up to down, so like Antarctica never touch the sunlight directly, because sun is not come in the level of Antarctica, never, right? Cross light maybe happen, right? So sun has highest weight and mass. Earth has less weight and mass than earth, and moon has more or less than earth, right? So it's movement like that. So uh, this is a very clear funda, that is gravity is not exist, curvature of space time is not exist. If gravity, see the new theory came out, they introduced that sun is moving through galaxy, and how it happened. If see on the one side, their theory said that reason is that gravity uh, can't grab the moving object. Gravity cannot catch the moving object or not grab the moving object, and that is why one of the question, why sun not catch or pull all the planets toward it, because it's moving object. It's a clear funda, it's a moving object. They said that it's a moving object not cannot easily catch by the gravity, right? The one side they say moving object cannot catch by the gravity, on other side they say they keep the control by the gravity. on planets. See, if I give you the one of the example, if there is a magnet you put in the center, and if you throw a iron ball, right, near magnet, so either magnet will catch the ball or it will not catch by the magnet. But it will never happen that magnet start moving toward the magnet and orbiting the magnet. That will not happen. That is not possible. So this is a thing. I think this is a recklessly they introduce this theory, and they don't understand exactly how it works. So this is my one of the belief, right? So, and this is the I am very right. I am very right. See, if technology is updating day by day, and after 10, 15, 25, 20 years, 30 years, they will realize that my theory is correct. Earth is moving on its place, or completing one round in 365 days. Earth is moving on its place in circumferences. All have their circumferences, center area, and circumferences. Earth is moving on its place and completing one round in 24 hours. Moon is completing its one round in 28 to 29 days. This is the right theory. And if you then why there are the many reasons why the things come down, and that is the reason of this. Simply is the pressure, because earth have ozone layer, so that is the things throw back that ozone layer throw back. That is the one of the reason. That is the reason that in ocean apps comes. So that is the one of the reason. That is nothing great science. That it's a great science, but it's nothing great to be thinking in deep. It's a simple science, right? So nothing new. And if you see, the earth is come uh, toward the earth, sorry, sun is come toward the earth, right? So it will be summer, right? It will be that not summer, but it will be summer on that contacting directly sun rays, right, on that part summer. But if it's go further, so there will be winter, right? So it's depend. If sun is on the upside, right, so it directly, so out of 365 days, some part of the, like, of 3 months sun directly hit to like a country like Netherlands, all that. So it remains 6 months dark, or 6 months it's day, and 6 months light and night. It happens. It's a very natural by this theory. So you can realize. If you want to know more, just message me. I will put I will that uh, I have approached to NASA and ISRO, but they are actually very impeccable. They have close their hand and fist, and not allowed the other person to put that concept and theory. So I just introduce my theory through this YouTube channel. I'm introducing, and this is the right theory. This is the but just I don't have the laboratories and all the equipment, and that's just I'm explaining it. And I really wanted to introduce to all throughout the world. But this is the first step I have put up with this in my video, and this is the right theory. No other theory have any option. This is only the right theory. This is the only right theory possible. If with my theory scientists experiment, यानी कि scientists try to any experiment, or like any that uh, any question or like that, the all question will be resolved, and all they will all get all answer which they really they till date not don't have. So this is the only the theory and right theory. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rujul Desai.